everybody and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Laura and I've got the lovely Karen joining me today.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Excited with all these Cyber Week deals?
I know, they are amazing. And I love these too. These are like your must-haves and a bit of something extra special.
A little bit of bling.
A little bit of bling.
We love a bit of bling.
Love it. Where should we start? Should we start with this one first?
Do you want to do your Tim bundle?
Okay, so this bundle is a Tim Holtz bundle. So it's your tools, it's your essential things you're going to use all the time. So in this, you've got the guillotine. Actually, I'll show you the box just so you can see. So it's the 8.5 box with the guillotine in there. And I've got one here up front, so we can have a look at this. This is actually a really handy one for, you know, if you're like me and you're going out.
I keep this on my desk.
Yeah,
there
it doesn't
one
take
on my
a
desk
lot
at all
of space up on your desk. And if you travel crafting a lot, it's not going to take up a lot of room in your bag either. No. So it's a great one for that. It's got a lovely handle on it and it's got the grip here as well. But listen to the noise.
Oh. You
can tell we're crafters because the noise, we're like,
You know it's going to be sharp.
Yeah.
What I like about this one is you've got the bar at the bottom as well, so you can butt your card up against that, or the top, obviously. You've got the bar at the top, both with the rulers in, and they're really easy to see because they've got the white on top of the black. And when you pop it in, you line up to where you want to go, and you've got these
grids
lines as well. You've got the grid marking system with some different card sizes on them as well. But you can butt up against this bottom bar or the top, which I really like.
I do, and do you know what I really like is the fact
the finger guard.
Because I will tell you, I've done it before.
I was going to say
gone like that and cut my nail in half. Yes, thank you. I'm glad it's not predictable.
I knew that was coming. Yes. I haven't got lovely nails like you.
Yes, I have done that where my nail's been there and then I've just chopped a big chunk out of my nail. But at least it was my nail and not my fingers.
Indeed,
you know,
indeed.
So you've got that. But then you're also going to get in there. So we've got, this is actually yours.
This is my craft pick off my desk. Yeah,
so we've got the craft pick now.
You're not having my craft pick though.
I've actually got one of these as well.
Oh, it's amazing.
They are. I love the fact. So there's another one for you. So like me, I go crafting. I take everything in my bag. I had one of these before. So my old poke tool before this one was one that didn't actually go back into the handle.
Retractable.
And I put it in the wrong way in the bag and then I went in to get it and didn't realise. Yeah.
Oh, ouch, ouch.
So for me, the fact that it actually goes back into the handle is really good. And it's a nice rubber. It feels nice in your hand,
push grip, isn't it? It's the push grip. So you've got retractable and it can go to different sizes, so you don't have to have that right the way out. You just take it to however far you want it. So I mean, whatever I pick it up, I just flick the little guide here, and I don't even measure what I'm using.
No,
do you know what I mean? I don't know what I use, to be honest. So I retract it. It goes back on my desk. I pick it up and I just flick it and start using it. So
it's one of them. You use it all the time, don't you?
Every single day.
Yeah,
I could never do without that.
And then, so you might be thinking, this is the same thing. It is not. So this now is your actual craft knife. But it is the same.
I love it.
So that you can see the handle is the same. You've still got that cushion grip on it.
Yeah.
But it is the knife instead.
So you've got the same little sliding mechanism there. But as you can see, when it clicks into place, there's your knife ready to use.
And
look how sharp that is. Wow.
Careful.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. Karen's holding it, not me.
Yeah, so you've got a couple of extra blades in there as well.
Yeah, so you get extra blades actually in the blade pack as well. So you get 3 blades in there, but you also get a spare pack of blades as well.
And to change the blade,
5 blades.
That's why you've got the extra. There's a little marker down the bottom here, and that's where you've got the extra to bring the blade right the way out so you can unscrew it and change your blade.
Kai, you make me so nervous.
Get off. God, do you know, you have little faith.
It's like I got more stuff to do this afternoon.
So never mind about me. It's a finger. Yeah, but it's a nice sharp blade.
You're going to put him on edge now, Cara.
It's fine. It's against it. It's not on my finger. It's against my finger. You're okay, Al. But you can see, what I mean is you can see how sharp that is.
Yeah. So if you like fussy cutting out or cutting into something, you've got a really nice point there, which is what you need. You need a sharp blade.
And a nice soft grip to hold it with as well. So that's that. I'll put it back in so Alex doesn't shout.
Someone could be getting that now.
They will, it's gone back in the warehouse. Yeah. You're not having my craft pick though, I'm taking that back upstairs with me.
A craft knife handled by our own.
Oh, you poor people.
So that bundle is available now on the website. It is $29.99 in the UK and $34.99 over in the US. So the next bundle we've got to show you is the glitter bundle. Now, this is really sparkly and something special.
This is the UK version.
Yes.
The US version has got lots of bottles of glitter. We haven't got all of those down here. We thought we'd just show you the UK one
and then just have a look on the website for the US one.
So we've got Let It Snow. Now these have got 4 bottles of glitter in this one. Haven't we got? I should have sorted these out, shouldn't I?
Because 3 Let It Snows.
We've got Let It Snow there, and we've got Let It Snow here. Right, they are all different. That's what I wanted to show you. So we've got 4 bottles of confetti, 4 bottles of glitter, and 4 bottles of sequins. So you've got the matching colours to go with each one, which is absolutely fab. I mean, look at all these. If I come over here, and you can see that's just the Let It Snow.
You make me want to sing.
It's Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow. I won't sing for you. Ain't nobody got time for that. Right. And then we've got Jingle Bells. And I love it. Jingle Bells. Jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Jingle all the way. Right. So again, we've got 4 confetti, 4 sequin, and 4 glitters. And you've got all of them to coordinate with each other. And they're just beautiful. And there you've got reds and golds and greens in these. And then in the Let It Snow, you've got your whites, silvers, and blues.
Oh, imagine those
so they are.
They are lovely. You shake the cards.
Do you know what?
You could probably put like a little piece of string on the jingle bells and just use them as ornaments on your tree.
Yeah, well, that's what we have upstairs. Oh, you haven't had a Christmas with us? Yeah, we've got Nuvo bottles, little drops bottles, and glitter bottles. We haven't got baubles on our tree. We just got Nuvo stuff. And that isn't a joke. But we'll get Sophie to take a photo of the tree when it goes up. And we'll pop it up on Insta.
Oh,
but yeah, that's your glitter bundle. Isn't that amazing?
It is. They are lovely. I love the chunky elements in there as well.
Oh, they're beautiful. So you've got
like the snowflake.
Yeah, and with the sequins,
they are lovely.
They're never usually. I'm going to be reading glasses with the Al. Shop. You got good eyes. Are they different sizes? Yeah, they are.
I'm going to go but
I think we have got different sizes in there because that's what we usually do with our sequins. They're never, they're not just the one size. You have an assortment in the bottle.
It's usually 3 or 4, isn't it?
Yeah, usually.
Really
so, but I am going to be reading glasses on. I put my seers, not my readers.
This glitter bundle is now available on the website. So you're going to get those 6 sets in the UK for $19.99. So if you are over in the US, do check the website because your bundle is slightly different.
It is different. It is different only because of stock levels, but it'll all work out as the same money.
Yeah, but have a look on the website so you can see exactly what you're getting. So tag us in your makes if you make anything with these and happy crafting.